You're on video.
Pretty strong honey here. Louis Slayton. Saturday morning. Should have been watching the Notre Dame game. Starts at 3, so we've got to hurry. Homeowner, Beehive there. I guess homeowner tried to kill him with salt. It don't work. I use squirting soda pump. It's not gonna do anything to him. I decided to go through the garage just because of the brick. I don't want to break brick today. But and homeowner's request. So. This will be our setup. It'll be somewhere right there. I'll get it going. We'll be right back once I start opening the wall. Get my glasses, please. Safety glasses. Okay. Power line right there. My favorite.
Yeah. What'd you say?
Huh?
How did you say it right now?
How did I say it?
So that's what you say right now? What?
That's done.
Serious?
Yeah. Oh, I see them. Make sure that camera's pointing.
Oh, you saw it?
Yes, I did.
It's pointing.
Anything else in the throat? No. Camera pointing at me? Huh?
Yeah.
Fucking cheaper up there.
So that Harlan.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, right there. Back. I was worked up. Let me see the light. See it? Cute little hive. Highly aggressive.
Holy shit. Yeah, you open
Take the camera so you can show the closer. I open the what?
You open it like in a perfect place. Like,
Who the fuck's that?
and you know what I mean? Like,
Expert.
it's you. And it's right there in the place where they're coming in and out, you know?
Yeah.
Out of that little hole.
That vent.
Yeah, the vent. They see that shit up. Awesome.
We got a vent that's torn. It was torn by a bird. There's a birdhouse here, a bird nest before. So you always got to have those vents covered.
Damn, dog.
Yeah.
See, we thought about breaking this wall right here and shit.
I did it. You did it.
Oh.
All right. Let me get something so I don't get that fiberglass on me. You can pause it now. You recording it?
Yes, sir.
Here's where I wish I had more room up in my ladder. But still worth saving.
Yep.
Are you all the way up here or no? You got a selfie stick, boy? Get up in there. Get up in that action. If you want, you can reach behind me up here. That's nice. Brand new comb. Broke off. Quick. First ones are always the hardest.
Got the camera right in your face.
I know. You can zoom back a little bit. So people aren't seeing my buggers, my nose hairs and shit. The bee whisperer talks to the bees so they can behave themselves while the neighbor mows the grass. Too fit. Saturday morning. I'm gonna pick my eye out with that. This hook right here. Yeah. Weekend boys!
I was with mom.
We're making noise! Wax sucks. Brand new wax sucks.
What?
Brand new wax, like this sucks.
Got you.
It's real flimsy.
Oh yeah.
Real brittle. Are you shaking a lot?
No,
You want to put it back on the stand? You're good.
I'm good.
We them boys. Where you at? Dog. They're not nice bees, tell you that. Still we're seeing. Look it up. We put another frame in here.
You need that with queen or no?
Hell yeah. She's the one telling all of them to fuck me.
I bet.
Cute Hive. Follow me down to where I put him in the box. Homeboy. That's a real true fit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's too hot for me.
You got me?
Hell yeah.
Here, film that one right there. Leather sleeves, my friend.
Yep.
We them boys.
Very cool.
Making noise. Check out my frame holder right there.
Oh, yeah.
Cute little hive. I don't know what's harder, balancing myself on the ladder
I'm getting the hive out.
or getting the hive out. That was right in my ear. Alright. Everywhere but the ear. I'll be probing what's in there. I've been stung inside the ear before.
Got you.
Your ear, like the inside of your ear swells up and you feel like you got water in them.
Oh. Well, so I wouldn't know that experience, no?
And it's real sensitive, so you're like that for a couple of days. You hear a little
You be in class.
and God forbid you killed the bee and you left half of it in there. This cute fun little hive. Lots of bees though. Oh, here comes the fun part. Let's get the queen.
Can you spoil it right
Yeah.
Think I can pick her out of the sky?
Yeah, you could. You always do.
You got faith in me, dog?
Yeah, dog.
Nah, dog.
Nah, dog.
Nah, dog.
Big dog.
Nah, dog. You're with the commercial beekeepers, not them small timers.
The bee expert.
Yeah.
The bee man.
Not them junior beekeepers.
Nah, that say the beekeepers. Want to light up a whole barrel of fucking leaves in the garage and smoke them out. We'll smoke them out.
We can smoke them out for you, man. Fucking idiots.
I got you.
Oh,
That was nice.
that was raining heat on me.
What's your cup? Whoa.
I got my drink in my cup.
Your phone. You want to go to your...
Where's she at?
Where's she at? You better come out.
Ponle para adentro, ponle para adentro. El patrón dijo. Patrón dijo que era tiempo de irnos. Nos hizo adopt.
Vámonos.
Vámonos.
You adopted us.
He adopted us.
You're like, it's an honor to work for you, sir. Make you want to dance.
Yeah, you want to dance.
I'm gonna cut that wire off right here. This one. Let me get my clippers real quick.
Wire cutters.
Yeah.
Let me get up in the action. So let me get up in the action. Bees, dog. Bees.
Huh?
Bees, homie. So let me get up in the action.
Bees, mister. Hopefully my Stanley's hold up.
What do you say the bees did that?
What?
Cut the wire.
They help chew that shit.
Yeah.
Don't you throw anything.
That's what I feel.
Yeah. So I don't mind working up there. Alright, get down real quick so I can get up in this mug right
That
here.
feels nice. Oh shit, you ready?
You ready? Mira. Right here.
Where?
Right here, watch. Come real quick. Right here. Watch. She's gonna pop up to the top. Hold on. Wait for her.
Come on,
She's
baby.
right there.
Oh.
See her?
Queen.
Right here, my finger.
I know, I saw him.
Right there. Keep zooming out so I can keep pointing her. Just a little bit far away.
Homeowners here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. Show her the princess. Check that out. She's right there. You see her?
Oh yeah. You get a cage?
Yeah.
You're holding her over the cage.
I got her.
Oh, okay. Catch her. Baby.
Hold on, my fingers. No, because I got stung in the finger. Queen kiss. Thank you, Father, for allowing us to do another one. Thank you. Once again, be smart, be safe,
Be strong.
Till next time.